Yeah, just severely injured. How are we looking?
Good.
I knew this Chevy could handle it.
Look at that truck go down.
Good.
Okay, the problem is, what's worse is if Robert gets out, it goes back up. And then we
You want to put one of these planks?
Piece of plywood.
I don't know, but we got a lot of weight on that. It's the table for the tailgate.
he's only got doubles, no singles. I'll step up, I'm sorry. see how that backhands me?
Now we know where the problems are, Larry.
Yeah.
You haven't been going to the gym working out, have you?
Top.
Not as much as I should be.
Top. What do you want to do?
Keep coming.
You need a board over here?
No, I'm going to try to support it.
Okay, we're coming up the backside.
That plastic ain't going to support it.
Keep coming.
All right, wait a minute. Put a board.
Oh, you're ready to
There is a piece of plywood on the
Don't back up
driveway.
no more,
I'll
guys.
get it.
You're running with it.
Slide it this way.
There you go.
A little bit more. Michael Land.
Larry?
Give us a runway. He's gonna have to go down there with his tailgate down because
I feel a little bit better about that.
Jack?
hold on. All right, let's go.
Where there's a will, there's a way. I got the will, you find the way.
Well,
If we got a small piece of plywood, we could push it forward.